how to create polls on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can create WhatsApp polls. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're not familiar with what polls actually mean, they are simply some of the voting places. So example, when you might see in Facebook and YouTube Shorts, some people just send a voting yes, no, or either choose a way to select the answers. That's basically what polls mean. And if you're trying to create a poll, all you have to do is just launch WhatsApp. Go to a specific group chat or even a specific chat that you wish. Once you do that, open the chat page over here. Tap this little pinned icon right in the chat page. Here you'll find a section called polls, which is at the bottom. Now this is a new update, so make sure that you've updated the WhatsApp app already in beforehand. Just tap the polls icon. So just make sure to actually go ahead and then enter your polls over here, and then make sure to enter the options for the polls. So you can also choose to either add multiple answers or you can choose to add more polls over here. Once you select your polls, if you're happy with the questions and answers that are available, just tap on the send button from the bottom right and your polls will be successfully sent to the other person. Now if you want, they can simply go ahead and vote on that specific poll over here. You can also choose who viewed and who voted on what kind of specific option. That is it for today's video on how you can create polls on WhatsApp and then send it to your group or your chat. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.